What is up, Seasoning Gang and Cravings? It is hot outside. I'm out here with my Father's Day gift that I received early. My wife loves supporting my channel, so she bought me this big Masterbuilt 140G electric smoker with the wood chip option on it, and about to order the cold roast smoker to go in the inside, on the side of it, to for doing long smokes. But she says she's tired of me having to come out here and dump charcoal and cut wood and stuff to put in my big smoker. She said sometimes I should be able to smoke a little easier. So shout out to the wife for the Father's Day gift. She got me so many gifts that I can't name them. I mean, it feels like it's Christmas again, but this one really stands out. So thank you, Tanika K. If you hadn't followed her already, she's Tanika K on YouTube. So go and follow her at this time. But anyway, I'm about to get this thing seasoned inside. And if you don't know what that means, it means to get it burned out with all the bad stuff and get the taste in there from some hickory wood or pecan wood or something like that. But anyway, I'm about to give it its first little burnout. So we're gonna set this thing for 3 hours, let it burn out. At the end of the 3 hours, 45 minutes afterwards, we're gonna throw in some wood. All right, see you in a minute. All right, if you're not familiar with this smoker, it has a Bluetooth feature on it where you can watch your meat and stuff in the house on your phone or whatever. And this is the little wood chip dilly that you stick in the side right there. And when you put it in and put the wood in, you just twist it upside down and it starts burning the wood, it starts to smoke. This is your little drip tray that goes on the back so that the condensation won't go on the ground. It'll go right into this little pan right here. So let me get that put on there real quick. All right, got that on. These are all the little features up here where you do your temperature and all that different kind of stuff and your time. This is the little latch on here where you open it up. Here's the inside. See, that thing looks like a refrigerator inside. It's got the drip pan there and an extra drip pan at the bottom. You got your meat probe built into this sucker. I mean, it's really nice. I'm not doing a review on it right now. I'm just going to show you how to season this bad boy. So basically what you're going to do is, I've already taken everything out and washed it pretty good. Make sure there wasn't any more styrofoam in there. So now I'm about to turn it on and set it at 275 degrees for 3 hours. And like I said, like 2 hours and 15 minutes in, you're going to dump some wood inside of it. So let's get it turned on. All right, guys. So the first thing you can do is turn this on. I don't know if you can see it because the sun is out, so I'm going to get pretty close. But anyway, you're gonna come right here and hit your temperature button. You're gonna, right there, it's at 225. We're gonna set it at 275. So it's 45. There we go, 275. You're gonna hit that temperature button again, and it's gonna lock in, and it's gonna get started. So now we're gonna set it for what time, how long we want it to go. So we're gonna set it for like 3 hours and hit time again. So now all of that is set. We don't want any minutes, just 3 hours. All right, so now it's starting to get hot. No, you can't really see it because of the sun, but anyway, those are your buttons you want to press. The temperature, time, very simple, arrows. And then that's for your Bluetooth feature right there. You press that and hold it, and it Bluetooths to your phone, and you can lock it in with the app. Anyway, we'll be back in a minute. Also, while you got this bad boy on getting hot, go ahead and crank it all the way open over here. All right, guys, I know you probably can't see that little steam that's coming out of there, but it's definitely burning out. It's gonna smell like something's burning up, like wires or something. It's perfectly fine. Nothing's messed up or anything. Let's see where this thing has gotten to. It's at 243. Almost there. It doesn't take long to get hot. All right, Cravings and Seasoning Gang. Like I said, this is not a review of this smoker. I'm just going to teach you how to season it and showing you my new toy basically. But I can feel the heat coming out of the top. So now at this time, you're going to pull your wood chip tray out while it's hot. It's at 275. You're just going to dump some of those wood chips in there. Chips in like so. Stick them in the side in the wood tray. All the way in and twist it upside down. And those chips fall down in there, and then you should start smelling some smoke coming out of the top within a few minutes or so. And you want to look for like a light blue smoke. You don't want it to be cloudy and dark white, so it won't be like creosote getting into your meat. So just look for a really light white smoke. When you see that, you'll know that this bad boy is ready. All right, guys, that's what you want your smoke to look like after you put your wood chips in. I appreciate you watching this video. I'm just showing you my new toy. Like I said, it's not a review. I'm not getting paid by Masterbuilt. I just want to show you this new smoker that I have. But if you would like a full review of it, I would like to give you one day. So anyway, see you on the next video. Guess it wouldn't be any good if I didn't show you guys the inside of it after they finish seasoning. See how it gets dark on the inside? It's not that pretty gray and silver color anymore, and the windows all fogged up. But as you can see, it's dark inside, it's ready. All your meat is gonna be tasting good from this point forward. That's your drip pan. These are all your shelves. I think I showed you the inside already. That's your burner at the bottom, and that little tray right there, you see the ashes inside. Let me get you in there a little closer without burning myself. That's the wood chips, that's where they fall in at.